Traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentle FS, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. And those people, the returning subscribers, please do know that I really appreciate. So in this today's episode, I'll be teaching you simple chart pattern that I use to enter this market. And as you can see, we are on currency pace. As I have already told you guys that all I post is the winning strategy to trade the financial market. Despite the fact that we are on currency pace, you can use this thing to trade synthetic and commodity stocks. What is important here is you understanding the pattern that I use. It is not about the currency pair synthetic, but about the pattern and the psychology behind it, and and where you find the setup. Please always take it. And this is also about the M pattern, double top. Let me hop into my daily time frame. Let me show you what I mean. So take a look at now. Take a look at this market. I entered this market with the help of this previous history, and this is a supply zone, a fresh supply zone, and it hasn't been tested before. So price has tapped here and continue moving down. That is where I entered this trade around here. I entered this trade today early morning, so I can see how price is responding accordingly. Price is responding. So in this thing you can use your knowledge about M shape and trade this market, or you can still use your knowledge about double top. This is the first top and this is the second top to trade this market. So after spotting it at the higher time frame like this, you have to go back to your lower time frame, either 1 hour or 15 minutes, and look for your entry. You can see where I sold mine. You can see where I sold mine. I sold it here, then put my stop loss here, then write it down to here. That is the completion of the M shape, where it will complete, and put my stop loss. And another mistake I don't want you guys to make is whenever you are in profit, please move your stop loss to break even or below it. Like my stop loss was above here before, this place before. So after profit, I'm moving below my profit level, so I kept it here. So let's go back to the higher time frame. That is the day one that I used to enter this. So if you look at this market, the risk to reward ratio is very massive. This is my risk area, and this is my reward ratio. So let's use this trend line and measure it from here to here is my risk. So 1, 2, 3. So this thing is almost 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So this setup is very massive, and it's happened on time frame. Let me show you the profit margin. with the smaller loaf size 0.01. So please learn this pattern and apply it on your real account. It is backtest is on demo, then move on to your real account when you have learned it and mastered the act. So thank you.